Ever wonder how the Earth floats in space? Here's a neat LED lamp that captures that phenomenon. This is the magnetic levitation globe. By using magnetic forces, the globe is able to stay suspended in space just like Earth. To attach, place the globe close to the lamp until it locks into the magnetic forces. Let go and see the wonder of this device. Here's another angle to show you how the magic happens. Notice how even if a piece of paper was to pass through the space, the magnetic suspension is strong enough to lock the globe in place. See why this is rated one of our best gadgets for the office and impress others with this novel design and device. Get it from gearbest.com before it's too late.